Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, GL Earth Explorer. For today, we will explore Hiroshima, Japan. Let's drop here. Oh, I think this is the downtown. Wow. Let's try again. Right, drop here. Oh, we're in the back road. Nice. Look at their houses. I noticed that Japan is clean. You can't see any garbage. Yeah, look at their sidewalk. Oh, nice. It's a quiet place. Oh, what car is this? A Subaru? Yeah. Look at their cars. Just park on the street. Yeah, it's in very organized. Yeah, that's why Japan one of the visited country in the world. Not because of their culture, but now you can see here their place. Oh, they have garage under the building. So convenient. What place is this? I think this is an industrial. The only thing is the Japanese building is different. Yeah, over here. We're in the middle of the street. Nice. Usually tend to use the small car compared to the western country. Usually truck is popular, but here small cars. That's the reason why Japan is unique. Job here. By the way, this is Hiroshima, Japan. Where's the World War II, the atomic bomb? It was dropped here. Look at now. The place is different. Yeah, we'll try to move forward. I like their cars. Try another place. Drop here. Wow, stunning. Wow, the house is one to second floor. What is this? This is a church? Might be. So cute. Look at their apartment. The exit stair. Let's move forward a bit. Is this underpass? Yeah. Nice and blue sky. Wow. Look at the streets. So clean. Yeah, you can notice how they constructed their buildings and streets. Let's try another place where let's try here. Alright. Nice. Oh, lots of trees. Wow. Yeah, it's so clean. You can't see any garbage. Oh, this is Toyota. Okay. Try another one. But in the middle. Alright, we are here in the center of the streets. Yeah. Alright. What's this? Grocery store. Minivan is so popular in Japan. Look at their bikes. They just place on the outside. Yeah, this is so cute. The minivan. Like the cargo used for construction. Oh, I think this is a Mazda 6. That's 5. So, yeah, there's a 7-Eleven there. Nice. Yeah, the building's different. Let's try where? Like in the north side. Nice. What is this? Apartment? I think so, yeah. Awesome. Alright, what is this? Is this underground water tunnel? I can tell. We're in the middle of the ocean. Alright, let's try another one. Okay. Still, we're in the middle of the street. Look at the what? How many floors is this? Amazing. Oh, this is a Mazda dealership. Yeah, Mazda is it's a Japanese car, so it's very popular here. Let's try to move a bit so we can see what's here. I think this is a government building. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay, try here. Where? Drop. Okay. Yeah, we're in the. I'm sure that is park. Okay, try here. Nice two cars. Is it Toyota or Daihatsu? Comment down below. Look at their houses here. Okay, try. Is that a bridge? No. Okay. Move away. Okay, let's walk a bit. Yeah, electric wires still exist. Yeah, but I think for sure other places like in downtown Tokyo, they put the wire underground. Nice place. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.